Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be getting started in Drafting C. I'm feeling a little better than I was going into Drafting S, but there's still a lot I need to know about this Fusion 360, so once again, bear with me. Alright, so starting out here, what we're going to do to get going is we're going to go to the front view. Once again, my grid's not showing up. I know that most people's are, but if it's not, don't worry about it. With that being said, the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to here and we want to do a save. Just so we can call this untitled something. We're going to call it 3.2 Drafting C. Don't worry if the assignment number is different. Hit save. That should change our thing here to Drafting C and also version 1. Now the next thing is we want to go down here to document settings. We want to open that up, go to that page where it says units, select it, so we can select over here and then change this millimeter to inch. If you set it as your default last time, you probably don't have to do that. And now we're ready to go. So I noticed that our preferences hold, so we are still going to be in fractional inches, or at least I think that's the way it's going to be. We'll find out when you're making yours if I'm wrong there. But what we're going to do to start us out is, once again, start sketching. And since this is Drafting C, we're going to pick this middle orbit piece. But the first thing we're going to draft is going to be the center of our circles where they actually are. So we're going to start with the line tool. Now, the line tool, the one thing about Drafting C that we need to know is that these circles exist in, I guess, 3 different spots. All right. One of them is from this origin going straight up. Type in 1 space 1/1/16, which is 1 1/16. Hit enter. Line tool one more time, so the letter L on my keyboard. From the origin sliding directly to the right, this is going to be 1 space 3/8 or 1 3/8. And then the last thing I need is on the left hand, or going to the left, that same exact number. So line tool one more time, select move to the left, and type in my 1 space 3/8. Enter. All right. Now what I have there are the 3 dots that I need for the circles I'm going to be making. All right. Now, I think we're going to leave that there and we're going to get started in the second video on creating those circles. Thank you all for watching. Hope this is working better.